Hello students, so today we will explain chapter 6 Sia and Gia. So this chapter is about cleanliness. So quotation is cleanliness is next to godliness. It means if we keep cleanliness then God resident in that place. So let's start this chapter. So Sia's grandfather want to take her in the park, but she couldn't wait to go there because she was so excited and she loved the park. It had a big playground where all friends played. So her grandfather take in the park. So when they were going to the park, on the way she had noticed that her grandfather was carrying a big empty cloth bag. So she asked her grandfather, why do you have that big empty bag? So grandfather replied that I thought that I would bring it to the park in case we find anything interesting. So after that she saw her best friend in the park. So she ran towards her friends. So grandfather said, don't run, but Shia was so excited to see her friend, she didn't hear her grandfather's warning. So after that, her foot landed on something round and shining and she almost fell. So she asked, what was that? She was more surprised than hurt. यानी वो बहुत ज़्यादा हैरान थी, उसे अपनी चोट की चिंता नहीं थी, यानी वो इस बात से चिंतित थी कि कौन सी चीज़ से टकराकर वो गिर गई है. सो व्हेन शी टर्न अराउंड एंड नोटिस अ crushed soda can laying on the ground near where she had tripped. So are you okay? Her friends Gia shouted. So she said, I almost got hurt. Shia cried. So why would someone just leave a can on the ground like that? She picked up the can just as her grandfather caught up with her. यानी उसे कैन को ऐसे उठा लिया जैसे ग्रैंडफादर ने उसको पकड़ा था. So are you okay? Are you all right? Her grandfather asked. So you could have really hurt yourself. यानी तुम्हें अपने आप को चोट, ग्रैंडफादर ने उसे कहा, यू कुड हैव रियली हर्ट योरसेल्फ, तुम्हें इस तरह से चोट नहीं पहुंचानी चाहिए थी. यानी सो शिया आंसर्ड, आई एम ओके बट आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड वाई द सोडा कैन वॉज जस्ट लेफ्ट ऑन द ग्राउंड लाइक दैट. यानी सोडा कैन किसने क्यों यहाँ पर फेंका है. सो जिया एडेड, यानी जिया ने भी उसकी बात को और आगे बढ़ाया. सो शी सेड, यानी her friend Gia said, why did they think that the tree will clean up this mesh? यानी इस मैश को ट्री साफ करेंगे, कि वो सोच रहे हैं कि इस मैश को जो कूड़ा उन्होंने फेंका है इसको ट्री साफ करेंगे. सो दे डोंट नो दैट द नेचर ओनली टेक केयर ऑफ द थिंग्स. यानी वो नहीं जानते कि सिर्फ प्रकृति सिर्फ उन चीज़ों की देखभाल करती है जो चीज़ें प्रकृति ने बनाई हैं. So that nature makes. So people make soda cans, so people should take care of them. Okay. So grandfather gave the empty canvas bag that he had brought up to the park. So he said, so throw this soda can into the bag, and he put this soda can into the bag. So we will take care of it. But we didn't leave it here. Why should we clean up someone else mess? यानी सिया ने कंप्लेन किया कि हम किसी का कूड़ा क्यों साफ करें. सो नो वन क्लीन्स माई रूम, यानी कोई भी मेरा रूम साफ नहीं करता फॉर मी. तो ग्रैंडफादर ने उसको समझाने के लिए कहा कि हु यूज योर बेडरूम सिया. सो सिया रिप्लाइड, इट्स माई बेडरूम, सो ऑफकोर्स me. Of course, me. So, if you are the person you use your bedroom, so grandfather continue, you should be responsible for keeping it neat and clean. So, who should be responsible? So, Shia again replied, of course, me. So, that's all right. You use your bedroom, so you are responsible for its cleaning. So, said grandfather, now who used the park? Asked grandfather. So, Shia thought a moment. So, she said, me. So, she correct herself. I mean, we do. Yani only you? Yeah, you only? Yes, asked grandfather. So, of course, us. We all. So, when lots of people share the use of something is called a common property. So, grandfather said, यानी grandfather ने उनको समझाने के लिए कहा, जब बहुत से लोग एक चीज़ को यूज़ करते हैं वो उसकी कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी होती है, लाइक अ पार्क. तो पार्क हम सबकी कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी है. यहाँ पर हम सभी लोग आते हैं. सो इट्स so we all are responsible for the common property because they are the place and things that we all use. So Shia asked, is this park our common property? So grandfather said, yes, this park is our common property. Exactly. So grandfather said, now you understood? So Shia said, yes, I understood. So we are enjoying the park, we should help to keep it clean. Shia dropped the can into the bag, turned to Jia and said, let's swing. यानी उसके बाद में वो झूला झूलने चले गए. And they ran to the swing. Shia and Jia swung higher and higher. यानी वो इस तरह से बहुत ऊंचाई पर झूला झूल रहे थे. They pretend to be birds flying high over the park. यानी वो इस तरह से झूल रहे थे जैसे आकाश में बहुत ऊंचाई पर चिड़िया उड़ रही है. Suddenly something shining caught Shia's eyes from way over on the other side of the park. यानी पार्क की दूसरी साइड से अचानक कोई चीज़ सिया की आंखों में चुभती है. So look, said Shia, I think there is a whole lots of soda cans in a pile over there by the basketball court. यानी उस बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट के बाद के पास में बहुत सारी सोडा कैंस का ढेर लगा हुआ है. So and I see some kind of wrappers and plastic bag over there by the water fountain. Shia, let's get your grandfather's bag. We can pick up all that stuff and help keep our park clean. So Shia jumped off the swing and skipped over to grandfather to ask him for the bag. Yani she asked for the bag and grandfather gave the bag. And Shia said, we all are going to clean up all the cans and plastic wrappers and other mesh that people made and left here. So the park is clean and beautiful. So grandfather smiled and gave the bag to them. Then they start cleaning the park. So I hope all of you understood this chapter. So thank you and have a nice day.